Alright, let me ask you something. What if I told you you might be slowly destroying your engine every single day without even realizing it? Not by doing something extreme, but by doing things that feel completely normal. And the worst part, most drivers do at least 3 of these daily. Let's get into it. Number 1, skipping oil changes. This is the fastest way to kill your engine, period. Engine oil isn't just there to lubricate. It cools, it cleans, it protects. But over time, it breaks down, it turns thick, dirty, and useless. And when that happens, metal starts grinding against metal from the inside. You won't notice it immediately, but your engine will. Number 2, pushing your car right after a cold start. When you first start your engine, the oil hasn't fully circulated yet. Everything is still cold, tolerances are tight, lubrication is incomplete, and if you hit the gas hard in that moment, you're putting maximum stress on parts that aren't ready yet. Do that repeatedly, and you're accelerating wear every morning. Number 3, ignoring the check engine light. That little light on your dashboard. It's not a suggestion, it's your car telling you something is wrong. Now, yes, sometimes it's minor, but sometimes it's the early warning before something expensive fails. Ignoring it doesn't make it go away, it just makes the repair more expensive later. Number 4, driving with a low fuel level all the time. A lot of people think this doesn't matter. It does. Your fuel pump actually relies on gasoline to stay cool. When your tank is always near empty, that pump runs hotter and wears out faster, and that's not cheap to fix. On top of that, sediment from the bottom of the tank can get pulled into the system. Over time, that can clog injectors. Number 5, using the wrong oil viscosity. Not all engine oils are the same. That 5W30 or 0W20 rating, it's not random. Your engine was designed to run on a specific type of oil. Use something thicker or thinner than recommended, and you're either reducing protection or restricting flow. Either way, you're not doing your engine any favors. Number 6, neglecting your cooling system. Heat is the number 1 enemy of your engine. Your radiator, coolant, water pump, they all work together to control temperature. Ignore that system, and things go bad. Fast. We're talking overheating, blown head gasket, or even complete engine failure. And yes, that can cost thousands. Number 7, shutting off your engine immediately after hard driving. This one is especially important. If your car has a turbo, after a long drive or aggressive acceleration, your engine is extremely hot. If you shut it off instantly, oil circulation stops while heat is still high. That heat gets trapped, especially inside the turbo. Over time, that shortens its lifespan significantly. The fix? Just let the car idle for 30 to 60 seconds. That's it. So here's the reality. None of these mistakes will destroy your engine overnight, but together, over weeks, months, years, they add up, and one day, you're facing a repair bill you didn't see coming. Take care of your engine, and it will take care of you. Ignore it, and it will fail, quietly and expensively. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more real car insights. Because most car problems, they don't start big, they start small and get ignored.